National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Champaign County, North Central Madison County, South Central Union County, Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mechanicsburg, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Unionville Center, Rosedale, State Route 4 and State Route 161 and Chuckry. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.